Hi everybody, welcome to my bar. Okay, so this is what's going on. We just watched The Prestige. That movie is like, okay, you have to watch it like 3 times, 4 times probably to completely understand that movie because it is so confusing. So if you want to watch a movie right now, if you're still awake and you're like, I should watch a movie, but you don't know what movie you should watch The Prestige. Anyways, today is a movie night and I didn't have anything uploaded, edited, or anything. I am editing the secret project video, and it will go up tomorrow hopefully, and if not, tomorrow will be some news. If not, okay, if the project doesn't go up tomorrow, some news will go up tomorrow, but hopefully the project goes up tomorrow. And thank you for everyone who did enter: Jello Unicorn, Cisco, and who else entered? The Bandigan X dude. Thank you. And yeah, just wanted to make a quick one take, tell you guys what was up. And today's comment question of the day is, what is your favorite movie that is a drama or like that is really confusing? Leave it down below in the comments. Maybe I'll watch one of them or watch some of them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. I love all of you, and remember to remain happy and to not let anything get you down. Adios. Oops. Adios mis amigos, and hasta la vista, baby.